We help remove fire alarm violations. And when it comes to violations, there's usually in a sense where there's a system that's been in the building since the 1970s and it's never been updated. And being that the fire department don't have hundreds of guys running around in the city, when they get to a building, at the time they get to a building, they're going to inspect that building. And when they inspect that building, if it's not up to code, they're going to write you up. And then a lot of times you will have to get that system up to code. So we will remove those violations. Or if you ever had worked with a company that fixed the problem in the fire department and the fire marshal just kept giving you, letter of defect until it turned into a violation, and then you looking for someone new to help you clear those violations up, we can help you clear those violations up as well.